Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Hey, okay, so we finally got the box. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the lure in this, and this is from Dr. Leo Sharashkin, and we're going to take his lure here, and we got some lemongrass and some proposil, which is like a beeswax. We're going to put it into the hive, get it smell like a hive, and then we're going to drop in some of the beeswax. We're going to put the top on it, we're going to secure it, and then we'll be taking it out to hang or set the hive up in a good place where we can draw in a swarm and get them in the box here, so that we'll have our own natural bees who will be healthier and more resistant to pestilence. And so hopefully they'll make it longer than the past bees that we ordered and brought in to live here. So here we go. Here's the propolis. I'm going to get this and rub it around on the hive.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Go ahead.
Hey, it's Chris from Crooked Row. So remember the bee trap that I was going to develop? I thought I'd come up here and check and see if we had any bees. So as you can see, it's looking like there is not any bee activity going on in here. So I was wanting to film a little bit more, but it is starting to get dusk, so I think I'm probably just going to wait till tomorrow. But then we'll take the hive down, and most likely I'm going to need to put some more of the lemongrass lure in the hive to see if we can get some bees. So sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. That's kind of the way it goes, and so we just have to kind of keep trying and try to pick up again where we don't make it. So remember, if anybody can hive, you can.